All right, here we go, guys. This is 22 Prestige H2 Hobby PYT 579. We have 2 teams left. If anybody wants to grab those, do so now. All right, 10 cards per pack, 10 packs per box. Got 10 numbered parallels in here. Find those draft day signatures as well. This is 22 Prestige. So if you guess any rookies, make sure it's out of that 22 class. Double check here and see if we got those other spots sold. Yeah, there's still 2 teams left. Give you guys a couple minutes to grab those, and then I'll end the listing. You guys use that link in the chat if you want any of the remaining teams tonight. We got Donruss H2 coming up next. Again, is the 2022 class. There's AJ Terrell, Harrison Smith, Mike Williams. We got Quinnen Williams. We got our Galaxy Kirk Cousins, Damian Pierce. He is out of 449. Damian Pierce there. Romeo Dobbs, Hakeem Ikwanu. Prestigious Pros as Derek Carr, Earl Campbell, Kid Reporter card. Next pack. That's CJ Zama, Alan Lazard, Kadarius Toney, Mike Evans. Galaxy of Isaiah Likely. Numbered parallel here out of 75, 9 out of 75 there. Christian Harris. We got Daxton Hill, Trevor Penning, Prestigious Pros, that is Aaron Donald. And Season Greetings, that's Drake London. Kid Reporter card. We'll do this one more pack and then I'll end that listing. For every spot's in that Donruss H2 break. Lamar Jackson, Tyler Higbee, Jonathan Taylor, Joe Theismann, Galaxy of CJ Mosley, numbered parallel Lamar Jackson, that's out of 299. Tyler Algier, Roger McCreary, highlight reel, Najee Harris, that is Brian Urlacher. In this listing here, I'm going to top load what we have as well. You can get your guesses in for the player on the last numbered parallel for 20 in credit. You do not have to be in the break to make a guess. If you're waiting on the next break, that is going to be Donruss H2. Will be coming up next. Grab the last remaining teams in that one. I think we had like 10 or 12 teams left when we went live in the Donruss H2 break. So I'm sure there's a couple of those teams left for sure. And in this one, we got 10 numbered parallels in the break. You guys are going to guess the player on the last one of those for 20 in credit. There's Hassan Reddick, Alexander Madison, Harrison Butker, Quandre Diggs, Ryan Jensen. Youth movement out of 299, that is Javonte Williams. Christian Harris again. Andrew Booth Jr., Josh Allen, and Eli Manning. Next pack. We got Rondell Moore, Tyler Boyd, Devonta Adams, Kenny Golladay, Galaxy of Trevor Lawrence, Mac Jones out of 449, Nick Benito, John Mechie, Prestigious Pros Justin Tucker, Youth Movement Justin Herbert, Kid Reporter card. Michael Vick, Robert Woods, Fletcher Cox, Montez Sweat, David Bell. There's a numbered George Kittle in the green out of 249. 3 out of 249 going to the Niners. Boye Mafe, David Bell again, Any Given Sunday. There's a Heroes of Justin Jefferson for the Vikings. Next pack. Najee guess on the last numbered parallel. Zeke Elliott, Amani Oruwariye, Myles Gaskin, DK Metcalf. We have Foye Oluokun, Brian Urlacher out of 449 for the Bears. Theo Chanel, Isaiah Spiller, Travis Kelce, Heroes of Aaron Rodgers, Kid Reporter card. Top load what we have here, and then we'll finish our last 3 packs. And guys, Donruss H2 is coming up next. It's 2020 Donruss H2. Those will have the Green Mojo optic previews, rookie previews in those. Grab your teams. The link is pinned in the chat if you guys want it. You can get 10% off using the link in the chat. There's a code at the top of the page. Once you click on that link, you can use that code at checkout for 10% off. Always pin the link up there and forget to put the code out there too. I mean, you can click on that link and it's right at the top of the page, but it'd be nice if I could put it on the link and you guys can just copy and paste it from there. We got 3 packs left. We should have 3 numbered parallels. Let's see if we can get Najee Harris as the last numbered parallel. There we go. Next pack. That is Denzel Ward, Devin Singletary, Rashawn Gary, Von Miller, Galaxy of Jamar Chase, Travis Kelce out of 99, 35 out of 99, Kenneth Walker, Devin Lloyd, Joe Montana, Matthew Stafford on the franchise favorites. Last 2 packs coming up. Got a Joey Bosa guess as well. Jamal Adams, James Robinson, Najee Harris, Hunter Henry. That is Evan Neal on the Galaxy. Youth Movement out of 149. That is Joe Burrow. We got Kyle Phillips, Sam Howell, Jonathan Taylor. Season's Greetings. That is going to be Desmond Ridder. Last pack. Joe Mixon, Miles Jack, Daniel Jones, Tom Brady. There's a Breece Hall Galaxy. Russell Gage was our guess out of 199, 113 out of 199. Carson Strong, Jeremy Ruckert, timestamp Jamar Chase, and Devonta Smith on the Youth Movement. Let's top load recap, then we'll move on to the last break of the night. Grab your spots in that Donruss H2 break coming up next. It is PYT, which one is it? 574. PYT 574 Donruss H2 coming up next. There's that future break schedule. You can use the link in the chat or use that link. Future break schedule will show you what we have listed. You can buy into breaks through there as well. The link pinned in the chat will take you directly to the available breaks for tonight. The other one will take you to our list so you can see what breaks we have coming up, what we have scheduled. It's coming up to be scheduled. Out of 99, that is Travis Kelce, Joe Burrow out of 149. Season greetings of Desmond Ritter. Brees Hall on the Galaxy. Out of 199, Russell Gage. Out of 299, that is Javonte Williams. Out of 449, Mac Jones. Out of 249, George Kittle. Heroes of Justin Jefferson. Urlacher out of 449. Heroes of Aaron Rodgers. Out of 449, that is Dameon Pierce. Isaiah Likely. Christian Harris out of 75. Season greetings of Drake London and Lamar out of 299 for the Ravens. Alright, that does it for the break, the third break of the night. Now we're going to go to our fourth and final break of the night. Okay, guys, grab your spots in this one. I'm going to update the title, update the list. We'll get started in just a moment on this one. Oh, you're welcome. Thank you. Appreciate you hopping in. Thanks for grabbing some of the team. Thanks for getting a guess in the chat as well. Okay, let's see what we got here. So we have quite a few teams left when we start. We're down to 10 teams left. So 3 teams have been sold.